What's up, you guys? So I'm out here in my 97 Chevy Tahoe. This grill right here I'm about to switch out. It's just in bad shape. You can tell it's broken there. It's breaking up here. It's over 20 years old and just the paint is coming off. So we're gonna go ahead and replace it with this new one here. And yeah, it looks pretty good. It's just all chrome. I really wish it had black like this one up here, but I guess we can do something about that later on. So I'm going to go ahead and take this off. Obviously there's some bolts that go here, there's some that go right here, but this broke off. So there's another one that broke off here, there's another one there, and then there's another one that goes right here. Once you do that, you unclip them from down here where all those clips are. But first I gotta take off the turn signal before I do that. On another video I will be first time ever sanding these down and clear coat them, because I mean they're kind of expensive to buy and I don't want to keep buying and buying because they're starting to wear out. But these housings are still not that old. What are old are the turn signal and the side marker lights. They're all old, but I don't know whether just to keep them like that, you know, just clean them up a little bit. But that'll be in a different video. The bumper is going to get repainted later on because it's just here, dump trucks. There are a lot of dump trucks that pass around here and all those rocks fall off and hit the bumper. So, alright, so we're going to go ahead and take these turn signals out. You gotta bear with me. Gotta make sure these are in perfect place. Alright, let's do the other side the same way. Once we do that, we'll go ahead and pop this off. Alright, now I'll remove the turn signal covers off. Now we're gonna go ahead and start popping this off. Alright, here comes the grill. Alright, so what we're going to remove is the side marker lights, but you have to remove these little, I guess you could call them bolts or whatever, but they'll twist off. The one thing I didn't see on this truck that it comes with this little, where they screw on. So I got to see if it comes in a bracket. I'm going to go ahead and take the side markers out and start putting it on the new grill. Alright, one of the things I did notice about this grill is that, see this lip right here? It covers up the badging. This one doesn't have that lip here, and it leaves a big empty spot here that you can see. So it's on the top and the bottom, so there's no lip that goes around here to cover that badging. That's one of the things I didn't like about the grill, but it is what it is. So I want to go ahead and put the logo on it, the bow tie on it. Already got the I might have to tighten that one up a little bit more. I already got the side marker lights on. So once I tighten that up, we're gonna go ahead and install it on the truck. Try to figure out if those that come in the bag are these here. That way we can start assembling, put the last stuff in it, put the covers back on, and it'll be completed. So let's check it out. So one of the things I was able to do is take these off. This is where the housing of the turn signals screw into. I was able to just go ahead and squeeze these a little bit, enough that it'll start popping out. See how I did that? If I can't get it out, what I use is this Phillips head screwdriver and just push it down a little bit. I gotta be careful. Push it out a little bit and it'll come off. So I got those two left on the top. I already got these off. So that's what you can do. Luckily these aren't too burnt that they broke. Hopefully these two don't break. And then we'll install it on the new one. Alright, once you've done that, you're gonna go ahead and grab your housing, put your LED bulbs back in there. Alright, now that you've done that, go ahead and put in the screws on there.
Don't embarrass me. I told him, don't embarrass me. No.
Now that we did this, we're going to go ahead and do the other side too. Once I'm done with that side, I'll show you how it all looks like with the hood closed. Alright, and there's the grill. She's on. She's ready to roll. She looks a lot better than what she did with this old one here. The only thing I didn't like about this one is this piece is missing. That's supposed to be with the grill. But it is what it is. I mean, once I paint that badging white again, should look better. Sand these down, get them as smooth as I can, spray non-yellow and clear coat on it, and then change the side marker and turn things to housing. The front end should look a lot better.
I won't cut your hair, son.
10 times better with once I get those fixed. I mean, I'm not too experienced in making these videos. I hope y'all like them. I'm just trying to show you how it comes off, how to put on, what to do when you have it off, to switch things to the other grill. And just to help out. Hopefully, you know, you'll like the video. I'm not too experienced on making videos like this, so we'll see how it goes from here. I mean, if I see it goes good, I'll continue making videos. If it's not, you know, well, I guess I'll stop doing that. But I just want to help out people, you know, to make them understand, or to help you understand, I'm sorry, how these stuff work. I mean, I work on this truck and I work on my Dodge Ram, you know. and I'll learn on the way, and hopefully this helps you out. So yeah, that's it. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video.